So starting with the multiple selection question. Ninth question is a shown below are a perspective view of a hexagonal prism, a cube, a cylinder, all having height of 10 centimeter. If the object are cut by the straight plane to generate various cross section, which of the statements is are true? ओके इस क्वेश्चन में हमें जो शेप्स हैं मतलब जो वॉल्यूम वाले शेप्स दिए गए हैं उसको अगर क्रॉस सेक्शन करते हैं तो उनके शेप्स पता करने हैं कि क्रॉस सेक्शन में कौन कौन से शेप्स बने जाएंगे. सो आंसर विल बी आर कैन रिवील curvilinear cross section, P and R can reveal a square cross section. Okay, Q and R can reveal rectangle cross section also. P and Q can reveal isosceles triangle also. Yes. Okay, then P and Q can reveal regular hexagonal cross section. R can reveal a square. Okay, so we can define this as a like here. If we cut a cylinder like this, the resultant surface will be look like rectangle. Okay, this can be also square, and after cross section from the top, the surface can look like a circle also. So here we can say R can reveal a square. Okay, R can reveal curvilinear cross section also. R can reveal square cross section also. Okay, then Q defined as a rectangular cross section. Yes, if we cut this cube with central plane, this will result rectangle here. Okay, like this rectangle. This can be resultant as a square also. Okay, and regular hexagonal also. Then P is defined as a regular hexagonal. Yes, this can be cut as if we cut this shape from the top view, like from this axis. So top view will be the regular hexagon. Like this. And if we cut this shape from the vertical axis, so resultant shape can be regular rectangle also, like this. Here we can see. Okay. Like this. Got it? So answer will be A, B and C. Next, 10th question is shown below is the front and the top view of an object. Which of the option can be the correct? In this type of question, we need to eliminate the incorrect options. So here we can see there are 3 rectangles. Okay, so if we see from the top view, there need to be edges here, 1, 2 and 3 edges. So first option will be incorrect and third option will be incorrect because there is a curved surface here, so there will be no edge, and there is a empty space, so there will be no edge. Okay, this will be the incorrect option, and correct option will be B because there is a edge here that can be visible from the top view, and there will be edge here that can also visible from the top view. For the surety, they have provided the top view also and front view also. If we see this object from the front view, this and this surface will be look like this only, and same D option will be look like this only because they have provided curves here, but they have provided edge here also. Okay, so answer will be B and D. 11th question. Shown below is a graph showing the journey of a hero in a 60-minute movie. This graph represents the relationship between time and event in the hero's journey in the film. Which of the statement are true? Okay, so answer will be the A and D because the hero might have defeated the villain in the end. Okay, as we can see, the hero's graph is a positive at the end. Okay, the hero might have met an accident between 12th and 18th minute here, like this is the 12th and this will be the 18th, as this is the negative part and this is the 0 part. Okay, so hero might have met with an accident and 12th and 18th centimeter. So 12th question is, shown on the left is the image of unfolded cube. Which option represent the folded cube? Okay, so here we can see the option will be A and B, because we know cube have some relation with their adjacent shapes, like this part will be connected to this part, this part will be connected to this part, and this last edges part will be connected to each other. Okay, so here starting with the part C, here we can see this part is related to this one and this is the correct, but as is the top of the O shape, but have some edge here, but this shape don't have edge here. Okay, so this will be the negative end. Here we can see M shape. Okay, this will be connected to this one, but this can be also connected to this one. So this part and this part is correct, but this part is wrong because they have rotated the shape here, E and N. Okay, so 13th question is, the figure shown below depicts the mechanism made using the link and the hinges, where the small circle represent hinges. Which of the option will allow relative motion between the links? And the correct options are A, B and D, because we can see they have provided circular links with the hinges. Okay, like this curve can be moved like this and like this. Okay, same, the circle can be moved with any shapes, with any motion. This will be the same movable motion relative hinges and links, and incorrect option is a B, because there is a no circular motion. Like if we turn this with this, there will be motion between this only, but not this only. Okay, 15th question, shown below are 4 different types of a scissor. Which of the following statement is or are true? And the correct options are B and C, as R is designed for a right and left-handed use. Okay, this is a common type of scissor that we use generally in our daily life. And Q is a spring loaded, like here we can see they have provided a spring. And R is a design for a right-handed use. R is a design, S is a design for right-handed use. As we can see, the thumb will be upper part here, upper section में अपना thumb fix किया जाएगा, that is for the right-handed. And P is a design for the left-handed use only. Like this kind of scissor we generally use in our daily life, as our thumb will be at this part. Okay, 16th question, shown on the left are 3 tiles. Which option can be made using these tiles? Rotation of a tile are allowed. Okay, in this type question they ask for the rotation of tiles, so let us select the correct options are the B and D. Okay, and the incorrect option are E and C. To select incorrect options, here we can see there is a square, quarter circle, and some kind of quarter circle with negative option is here. We can see they provided triangle here, but we don't have triangle tile, so this will be the incorrect option. Same in a C, they have provided here triangle tile, but we don't have triangle tile, so this will be the incorrect option. 20th question, shown below are an image of 4 different models of dispenser using of the statement is or are true. The correct options are at least 2 models are based on the wall, at least 2 models have hinges. Okay, so here we can see this bottle and this bottle have hinges, and this bottle and this bottle have walls. At least one model uses pressure to dispensing liquid. At least one model uses to lever principle. This will be the lever principle and this will be the pressure principle. Okay. 18th question. Shown below is an empty triangle which is to be filled using the 5 tiles. Which option will be exactly fill this triangle when tiles are used? Scaling, repeating, flipping of a tile is not allowed, while rotation is allowed. So correct option will be C and D. Here we can see we can arrange these shapes like this will be arranged here like this. Okay, and second tile is arranged like this. This will be the this part, and this will be the this part, and this rectangle part will be the this one.